Guys, it's a cheeseburger falling from the sky. It's bait. Guys, it's a cheeseburger. Is it a... Bro, it's not a trap. It's a cheeseburger, okay? Look, I'm just going to approach the cheeseburger and eat it. Okay?
Steak, do not do it. Do not do it. On God. On God. Do not do it. Do not do it. Cruz is here. On God. On God. Look. He wants someone right here. Look, look, look. I don't know where is it. Bro, do not go steak. I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise, bro. I promise.
It's safe. I just put my hand underneath it. Guys,